Clark, today we're going to learn how to cut down a tree. How to cut down an old rotten tree. Would you like to learn how to do that? Okay, let's go watch these guys next door trim down or cut down this big tree. Okay, this is what me and Clark see. The next door neighbors are cutting down or getting their big tree cut down. So the Affordable Tree Company is here to cut it down. Mimi's on the front porch watching. Clark and I are getting ready to watch him cut them. Look at Clark, he's watching them. He's all intense about this. Because he said, Papa, I want to learn something new today that you haven't taught me before. And I said, well, what do you want to learn, Clark? And he said, well, I hear some tree trimmers out there. Would you take me out there and let me get a close-up as they cut down this big tree? And I said, sure, Clark, I'll take you out there. So here we are. What do you think, Clark? You think they'll get that tree cut? We don't want to get too close because, but the tree trimmer guy told me that the tree is leaning toward their house, our neighbor's house. So he said all the weight is going that direction, so it's not going to fall this way. Of course, we won't be out here when it does fall, will we, Clark? Yeah. Well, they're not cutting it yet anyhow. All right, Clark, let's go back up. Let's go back up there and join me, okay? I think it's getting a little warm. Put those socks on. Clark, what do you think about all that?